out of my group last year, and also Abby in the audience. So this is an example from both sports data and also online game data. And there's a lot of online game data. This is this game Halo Reach, which some of you may have played. I don't think it's very popular anymore. It was like the #3 most popular video game in 2011. And a lot of people played it. 17 million people produced 1 billion online competitions, which is about 20 terabytes of data. Each of these things lasted about 10 minutes. So that's 10 billion minutes of wasted time, of fun. And we have a copy of all of it. Microsoft, which published this, opened up an API, and they sort of let us download everything. And then separately, I managed to acquire a pretty big data set for sports events. So this is 1.25 million scoring events across 4 different sports: college football, pro football, professional hockey, and professional basketball, and 10 seasons, so 10 full years of data. It's the biggest data set I've ever seen anybody work with, but I liked it because it had data on 4 different sports. So then you could ask the question of whether these sports are similar to each other. And the common thing between this data and this data is that the games have fixed rules, fixed durations, and the score is an accumulation of points. So now, can we test the hypothesis that basketball is just like Halo, except that the goal is running around and trying to shoot you? It turns out the answer is yes, by the way, that when you just look at the timing of the events, these games look exactly the same. That's kind of interesting. That suggests that there might be something fundamental about this kind of competition. And when you look at the balance, so who gets the points when the event happens, you find that there are also really strong